In this video, I will be working through all the questions of the Math AS AQA May 2018 paper. So yeah, let's get going. First thing I want to point out is that on top of all the questions, I have this written around it. And that is just so that if you find this question hard, you can search this topic up and you can work on the specific topic and improve it. So I've just made it a bit easier to find the topic for each question. The first question reads, 3 of the following points lie on the same straight line. Which point does not lie on this line? If it's on the same straight line, that means that they have the same gradient. So we can use the gradient formula, which is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. And we'll be using this to find out which of these points gives us a different gradient, so we can figure which of the point does not lie on this line. So I will be naming this as x1, this as y1, and then all of the others will be named as x2 and y2. So now we will be comparing the gradients of each of the following values. So over here we have y1 as 14 and x1 as -2. And we have that for all of the other values as well, so I'll just put that in as well. Now I have to put x2 and y2 for each of the values. So we have y2 as 8, we have x2 as -1. And then we'll just complete that for the rest of the table. Now I've put in all the values for x2 and for y2, and we can now find out the gradient for each of them by putting them in the calculator. So for the first one, it's -6, for the second one, it's -5, and for the third one, it's also -5. So what this means is that this point, and this point are on the same line because they have the same gradient. Hence, the one that's not on the same line is this one. And the answer would be B.